Are you actually sleeping or slowly suffocating? If you snore loudly, wake up exhausted, or find yourself gasping for air at night, it might not be normal, it could be sleep apnea. This condition causes your breathing to stop and start while you sleep, putting serious stress on your body and increasing the risk of fatigue, high blood pressure, and even heart problems. Warning signs include loud snoring, choking during sleep, and morning headaches. The good news, simple changes like sleeping on your side, losing excess weight, or using a CPAP machine can make a huge difference. Don't ignore the signs. Better sleep could literally save your life. Follow for more quick health tips.